this is my closet. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you guys are having a great afternoon. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, tap the bell button so that you get notified of my future videos, and a thumbs up if you like it. And as always, if you are returning returning subscribers, thank you so much. I so appreciate it. And if you just subscribed, thank you, thank you, thank you. So I do all sorts of unboxings: beauty, lifestyle, jewelry, clothing, you name it. I probably unboxed it. I'm sorry, I've had like so much iced coffee today because it's like 100 degrees here that I'm just talking faster than I'm thinking, or thinking faster than I'm talking, whatever that is. So today's unboxing is a Stitch Fix. Now, this is a really tiny box. So I'm thinking there's no shoes, there's no handbags, there's no pants. I don't know, it's just so tiny. If you haven't used Stitch Fix before, you can get this monthly, really whenever you want it, every 3 months. If you need a fix, you can just go and press the button and they'll send you one. I've had Kat, my stylist, for a while, and she's been doing a great job. So I'm hoping that she styled this box. It's a $20 styling fee, which goes towards anything that you purchase in the box. If you've been a subscriber of theirs for a while, they offered a $49 style pass. They randomly just email people, and then it's a one-time charge, and you can get as many fixes in that year as you want. So I'm going on my second style pass, and I'm just loving it. I will leave a link below, so if you decide you want to try Stitch Fix, you can get your first box for free, and they'll give you a $25 credit, which is an awesome deal. So let's get into it. There's really probably not that much to get into. Let me know if this video is grainy. I've been trying to work with it, but it's just coming out grainy. So there's some jewelry in this box, and there is a little itty bitty bundle in here. I don't know if this is even gonna fit, it's so tiny. So when you open it up, it does come with a note from your stylist. When you sign up for Stitch Fix, as most of you know, you put your size, your weight, your favorite colors if you don't like prints, and it might take a style box or two, but then they usually do a great job. So there's the style card, and I'm not going to peek, not that I think you can, that you can see it, and the nasty invoice that nobody likes. And of course, the return bag for anything that you don't like. Jewelry first. And they put those nice little stickers on there. And you'll have to excuse my nails. I'm getting them done in a week, so I haven't really done anything to them. And this is a necklace. It has a card. Jill Michael Jewelry in collaboration with Stitch Fix. You can just fast forward through the parts that I can't talk. And it looks to be gold and silver, which would be totally awesome. It's a little teeny. I have bought quite a few pieces from Stitch Fix before, so hopefully it'll stop jiggling. So it's just a 3-tiered necklace, and that is very nice. And the next thing in the box, It looks like it's all tops, which is fine with me because I did get quite a bit of shorts between Mix and Match and my Stitch Fix. And this is by Fortune and Ivy. It's in a size large. It's navy blue, and this has been on my style card or on that test you can take. So I have liked it. So I'm glad that she sent it. So that looks really nice. This looks like a cute top. This is by Kaylee Embroidery Detail Knit Top by LUQ, and it's considered a light gray, and I'm hoping it fits because look at how cute that is. And that is the back. Sorry, the tags are kind of hanging out, so it looks like it's almost inside out. Sorry about that. Super cute. Okay. And the next top is by Paper Moon, Basima Black Detail Top. It's considered navy in a size large. And it's a complicated top. So I have to figure out how it goes on. Is it a crisscross? Oh, here, this is the back. And here is the front. It's not my style because I can't wear certain types of bras because they're gonna show, but I'll give it a try. And the last thing is by Kaylee. It is the Jonesman One Shoulder Knit Top. And I've seen this in a ton of fixes.
Okay, there we go.
Okay. All right, I am back with the first top and necklace. And the top is the Kaylee Embroidery Detail Top. I don't have on the right bra, so you have to forgive me. I don't know if you can see the detail of the necklace. And then this is what the back looks like. Super comfortable and a total keeper. Okay, I'll be right back with the next top. Okay, I am back with the next top, which is the Paper Moon Basima Back Detail Knit Top in navy. This one is 28. The other top was 38. So this is how it fits. Here's the zipper detail. I think this would be great with white shorts or pants. So, on to the next top. I am back with the next top, which is, I don't know, is the Kaylee Jonesman One Shoulder Knit Top. This one is $34. You can't beat that. It's got the, of course I'm not wearing the right bra with it. So let me know what you think of this one. And I'll be right back with the one that I can't figure out. Okay, I am back with the last top. It is the Fortune and Ivy. No, it's not that one. I don't know which one it is. Oh, this is the Paper Moon Back Detail Top. The other one was the Fortune and Ivy in navy. So this one is $28 and the other one was $34. So I just need to have one more iced coffee. So this is what it looks like. And I'll show you the back. I'm not too sure about this one. I know I don't have on the right bra, but I don't know. So I will be right back with the recap. Okay, I am back with the recap. It looks like a 5 for 5, but I don't know. So again, the total for all 5 of these pieces is $121 plus tax, of course. So leave comments, let me know which tops that you liked, or if you liked them all. Thumbs up if you liked this video, and as always, you guys have an awesome day.